Ladies and gentlemen, hey yo, welcome again in this new episode of Think Faith podcast. Today I'm with Busi and I'm also with Smiley T. How are you guys?
I'm good at you, Fundisi.
We're
Smiley
good, Fundisi. How are you?
Clock it. So today we are talking about a topic that may seem like it's not relevant to you guys. Ne? It's actually because of so many questions that we got.
Okay.
So today we're going to be addressing young men. So it's a letter to young men.
All right.
Yeah. So we're actually going to be responding to some of the questions that we've been getting over the other previous episodes.
Yes.
What are those questions? Number one, what is manhood? What is a man? What defines a man? So what is manhood? So number one, we're going to start with the natural development of a man. What is a natural development of a man? Number one, you start by becoming a boy, a baby boy, we baby boy, umfana. Yeah. And then from being a boy, you become a man. From being a man, you become a husband. From being a husband, you become a father.
Yes.
In that order, right? So this is the order that God has ordained. This is the order that God wants us to live with. Kunkulunkulu akafuni ukuthi usuke kubeni umfana uvele nje ube ubaba. Ungakabi indoda.
Yo,
Noma
come on.
ungakabi ihusband.
Come on.
Funa uqale uthi nje na usuke ebufaneni ube indoda qala. Then you can become somebody's husband. Then you can become somebody's father.
All right.
So if we miss that order, we are going to miss a lot of things, right? Say for an example, 1 Corinthians 13 verse 11, Paul says, when I was a child,
Yes.
I spoke like a child, I understood like a child, and I thought like a child. Then it says, but when I became a man. So it shows that what distinguishes you, whether you are a boy or a man, is how you think, how you speak, and how you understand.
Yes.
So ubdoda, but ubdoda bukhulela, meaning you are not a man because of age. Awubi indoda ngoba una 40, awubi indoda ngoba so unabantwana abaningi. That doesn't make you a real man. Why am I defining it like that? Because emakhoneni elokishini emakhawash masikhohlisana ngobdoda kunalokuthi ayindoda mfana because unama girlfriend ayi4
Ish.
or because unabantwana abayi3 yabona unabo baby mama abahlukile lena le bathi ayindoda noma mawuceda kuthenga imoto entsha ayindoda
Ay.
and see loser in meaning of what a real man is because sinqomana ngezinto uzothi nase later in life zibe ma regrets wakho. So last time we were talking about that when we said plan your life in decades. So these are the mistakes omele ubuye uzodila nawo at a later stage. La ubongconywa yona kuthiwa uyindoda.
Yeah.
Right. So we must really define the true nature of a man. Why are we focusing on a man? We're focusing on a man because man is leadership. Man represents leadership. Man is the head of the house. So we fix man, we fix the nation.
Come on.
But if men are not in their place, the rest of the structure, the rest of the family structure, siyashabalala. Today we have a challenge. Ngamakhaya nganabo baba, ngabantwana sibantwana sikhula singanabo baba, and then nathi mase kuyithuba lethu lokuthi sibe bobaba, siyabashiya abantwana bethu, and then ama generations alo yaqhubeka. And sithatha njenge ishe encane ukungabi nobaba. Fatherlessness is a serious damage. It damages you psychologically, it damages you in any form and in any way.
Yes.
So why am I coming back to this point? I'm coming back to this point to say, let us encourage boys to become men first before they become husbands, before they become
Yes.
fathers.
Yes.
How you think, how you speak, speech sakho. You know, sometimes omunye umuntu uzokhuluma naye ukuthi hayi la ngikhuluma nendoda because of the speech and the manner of his speech sakhe, indlela acabanga ngakhona, the way this person is thinking, the thought patterns,
Yes.
and the way this person understands things in a broader scale. Then you can see this is a man. So this is not only to men, it's also to you as ladies. Kuzonisiza ukuthi we understand what is the real definition of a man, so that now we are good dating umuntu uzosahleli naye usakhuluma naye
Ukuthi hey la.
yeah ubona ukuthi
As a
okay
boy or njani.
Uyabona ukuthi ngihlele nomfana ona 40 because kupossible ukuthi angaba na 40 ngomnyaka but
Kodwa
umfana.
Oh, come on.
You understand?
Yeah, do you know where the danger is? Hey.
It happens. You see, mina njengoba ngidila kakhulu into zama counseling, some of the things that you would notice a couple that is struggling, but ubona ukuthi okay, lana I'm not dealing with an issue of a couple. I'm dealing with an issue of a husband that is still a boy.
Yo.
Yabo, it's not yet a man ready to take care of the family, ready to make decisions, sacrifices that are for men.
Yo.
You understand?
Yes.
So why ngisho so? If you are a boy, you skip the part of becoming a man and you go straight to being a father. Uzodla phansi.
Have uzodla amakilo.
Angeke uzuwondle.
Yo.
Angeke uzubone ne damage oyenzayo because you are not matured. Remember, manhood is maturity. It's not anything else, but you have to be matured. Yabo?
Yes.
In how you speak, how you think, and how you understand. That is what defines manhood.
Ooh.
Other than that, now sa understand njengomntwana or usakhuluma njengomntwana or usacabanga njengomntwana noma ngathi umdala kangakanani noma ngathi unamalini noma ngathi uhlala kuphi, but if your thought patterns are still the thought patterns of a boy, uzochazwa ukuba nabo baby mama bawu3, uzochazwa ukuthi ayinalapha nginomntwana nalapha nginomntwana, and that perpetuates the damage that we are trying to deal with in this generation, so that ingangeni kule generation elandelayo. You understand?
Yes.
So that is what makes a man to become a man. So another thing, now when you are a boy, here's another pattern. I'm answering another question also that I got on my inbox.
Yeah.
This question is, okay, here's a pattern first in order to address the question. When ni my young adults, ningaka so ne?
Yes.
23, 25, 26, you know what happens? When you meet a boy at this age, boys are like, no, nothing serious. And then now I don't want anything serious. Ne?
Yeah.
Kube nomntwana in the
Yo,
picture.
sana.
And then ube na 30, abe na 35 here. This is a pattern that we are trying to deal with. Ngesikhathi wena una 30 and una 35, you know what happens? Uyakushiya abantwana bakhe abayi2,
Yo.
and then he goes uyoshada umuntu ona 21, 22.
Yeah, bana.
No, it's a pattern.
Yo.
Yeah, angithi mina ngidila nale space, so I notice these patterns. So now ashada umuntu ona 22, 23. What normally happens now, uthola ukuthi ama ladies wethu emabandleni or emphakathini lapha bo 28 to 35, they are all single most of their time.
Yes.
Because amadoda asukile wayoshada abantu who are very much younger. You understand? And because men are dating to pass time, men realize later ukuthi bafuna ukushada and already seba damage abanye abantu bahate abanye abantu, but they don't care about that. Which is now an advice to women,
Yes.
young women like you. Ukuthi, maybe sizoyenza episode about women only. Ukuthi, what is the advice to women? But what I can say to women, ukuthi, now at 25, you cannot entertain umuntu othi, no, I'm dating to pass time or vibes. You can't entertain that because so mdala for that. Why? Because yena pass the time, because yena iskhathi with men is not a problem. That's why men are never under pressure to get married. It's only women about you saying that date ngashada. Indoda iyazi noma ingaba na 50. He can always get
married. How? The ball is in their court, sana.
Exactly.
Yes.
Which is unfair though, because it's unfair. It's unfair because your time has been wasted.
Yo, yes.
Now nabantwana bayi2. Sekufunula ukuthi the love of my life abantwana bami lokuziduduza. Self love. I love myself. Ngihlale nabantwana bami. But it was not supposed to be like that. That is why I'm trying to show you ukuthi the damage is with us as men. Because women are reactive. Women normally do things because we do them.
Yes.
So if Tina as men, especially as young boys, that's why I'm saying this is addressed to young boys. Because young men, I mean, old men may not, take this advice. They will like, but if we can advise young men, we can save a generation. If we can talk to young men to say, young men, you are not here to pass time. You are here when you start turning 25. You must start dating to get married, marry young, marry right, and do not hurt someone ozomshiya. And then because sasa you can secure umshado with someone
Else, yes.
else in after 10 years. And then uthi lo muntu omdamagile uyoshada
Uyoshada
ubani.
ubani,
Le
yes.
trauma omshiye nayo umshiye ne trauma mele aqale ahamba ama counselings are serious ukumenza ukuthi aphinda athembe the figure called a man.
Yo.
You understand? So that's why I'm
Yes.
saying if we can fix a man, I promise you, we can fix. And we
The
don't have to
nation.
wait until a man is 30 years old. We have to address them from 16 years old, from 20 years old. Just talk to them about these issues and find out ukuthi, what really is it that is bothering them. And to all men, I think old men, if there's an old man who might be watching this, to all men should learn to tell young men the truth.
Truth.
Yeah. Tell young men the truth, not what is trending on social media. Tell them that, boy, ukuba nabantwana kuse early, ukuba nani kuse early ngakashadi,
Yes.
kunglimazelana la nala. I know siyakhuthazana ukuthi ukuba nomntwana ungakashadi is not the end of the world nanani.
Yeah.
Noma ukuzalelwa ngaphandle komshado is not the end of the world, which is true. But the truth of the matter is that psychologically, one way or the other, it affects you. Umntwana was ngokwe design kaNkulunkulu kufanele avele emshadweni.
Yes. Yes.
And umntwana bekufuneka abe nomama,
Nobaba.
umntwana abe nobaba, akhule in a healthy home. Because once kwaba nomntwana okhula ekude kube khona umntwana okhula eduze nobaba, one way or the other there will be competition and bitterness. Because umntwana ongahlali nobaba wakhe uhlezi afila kwangathi laba abahlala nobaba benzelwa kangcono. Because na ungayovakashela umuntu ohlala nobaba wakho wena ungahlali naye, mhlawumbe uzobathola badla icheese wena icheese
Yo. Oh,
abayazi.
yes.
Uzobathola badlala ngama-tablet lapha
Yo.
when you don't have even upopopo just to receive a call.
Yo.
Why? Because one way or the other, once ifamily yaba in this situation where sekunabantwana esibabiza ngokuthi bantwana bokusala ngesikhethu basho njalo,
Hey.
a blended family
Yes.
inama complications wakhona. So we are not going to comment much on what has already happened. We are commenting ngalaba thina, or should I say the young ones. Laba bangakashadi, abangakabi nabantwana,
Yes.
sizama addressa bona ukuthi this is a mistake and I cost when I word it costs a generation.
Yes.
Yabona? Nothing is as important as a conversation that a father can have with his son. Mina, I still cherish the conversations that my father chose to have with me that were brutally honest, where he told me, this is where I won and this is where I messed up. I'm like, nangulo baba sekayafana. Waqala wa confess.
Wakhipha kusesifubeni.
But that was good because nasengicabanga kahle now, I realized that he was actually helping me because he
Yes.
told me the truth. Because there's something we call modeling, ne?
Yes.
Modeling is when umntwana akafundi into ishoyo kakhulu, ufundi into oyenzayo.
Yes. Into ayibonayo.
Into ayibonayo.
basically, yes.
So modeling is phila phambi komuntu and then umuntu akope what you do. So in modeling, this is where the mistake happens when you don't communicate. Umntwana nakakubona umfana omncane abona ubaba wakhe aphethe isibhamu, ahlala ngesibhamu, mhlawumbe nakathe ukusutha kancane adlala ngesibhamu. Uyibona lento le as ubuhero and says
Yes.
one day yabona nami ngizoba naso and do
Bangene.
this, ngispina imoto ngenze. Same thing happens again ngendaba yama mistakes that are very very big, like ukuba nomntwana outside of marriage, ukuba nabantwana abaningi lena le.
Yes.
That thing umntwana uyakhona ukuyiviewa as a model, athi yabona baba wami ingani wenza so and he was successful and akayisoli ngalento, not knowing ukuthi deep down a father is regretting. That's why I'm saying old men must sit down their boys and tell them the truth. Say, boy, this was a very very worst mistake of my life. Don't even try it. If you want to win in life, avoid this route, use this route. You understand?
Very good.
So this is how we are going to build men. And then another one, each again. Okay, after I talk about Indoda Must, remember that comment I made about
Indoda
Indoda
Must.
Must. So
Yes.
I had another question there that
Yeah.
I want us to address. So when we talk about indoda must, and when I made the comments, it sounded as if I am oppressing women, or I'm saying I'm being harsh towards women,
Yes.
because I said you can't be indoda must and a
in-
Proverbs 31 woman.
yes.
And people thought I meant you must be a Proverbs 31 woman,
yes.
work hard, and
Khohle. Indoda provider.
men must not do anything, men must be lazy. No, that is not what I meant. What I meant, and what I'm fighting for, or what I'm fighting against, is that the indoda must concept, indirectly, it is ngathini, iyenza the work that has been done by women empowerment to be in vain, because women empowerment over the decades and centuries, to be exact, they have been fighting for equality. They've been fighting
Yes.
to say, if men can do it,
The women can.
women can do
also,
it. If
yes.
men can be a CEO, women can be a CEO. If men can be a lawyer, women can be a lawyer.
Yes.
Right? So that is what they've been fighting all these years. Now that we are almost at the breakthrough, actually we are at the breakthrough,
Yes,
because women
yeah.
are now rising up. And then there are people who are pushing the concept, no, women must just sit down, baby, my princess, and indoda must.
Oh,
So
yeah.
that pushes patriarchy, which is what they've been fighting all these years. Ukuthi, in other words, because if you say when indoda must, if you say when manje, your dream car is this.
Yes.
Ngithi mina, how are you going to buy it?
We're saying it's
Uthi
indoda
wena,
must.
a man would buy it for me. Indirect, you know what you are saying to me. You are saying you believe so much in a man that he will be able to buy you that thing in his ability, but you don't believe in yourself that you can
Yes.
work hard for it, or you can run a
Yes.
business that will make you to buy. You understand?
Yes.
So it's more of elevating men, patriarchy,
Yes.
and demeaning women.
Women.
And in the Bible, Bible says in Genesis 27 and 28, God created man in his image, and in the image of God he created them, male and female.
Yes.
And then verse 28, and then verse 28 says, and God blessed them,
Them, yes.
both of them. So they were, and he said, be fruitful and multiply. So both of them were given the blessing, male and female. They were given the capacity to succeed, male and female.
Yes.
They were given the capacity to be the thing. So we have the right to say a woman must, as much as a man can, not a
woman
must,
can
as much as a man can, a woman can also.
How would I say?
But don't you think ukuthi le statement lesi sivela with the thing of indoda must provide, because indoda must be a provider, right? Or am I wrong?
Where did you get that?
Isn't indoda supposed to provide for
Where did
their
you get
family?
that? Where did you get that?
It's the mentality or it's the society.
Yeah, it's a
So
society.
it's
Remember,
okay.
here we're trying to look at it from a perspective of the Bible, not the society.
Yes.
I'm telling you, the society messed it up. And it made men to believe in themselves, hence men are winning, and made women to believe less of themselves,
yes.
hence women are losing. So we're trying to bring the equality. We are empowering them to say, women, you can too.
Okay.
Not to say I'm saying men must be lazy and go. I'm saying the statement I said last time. Good. I'm trying to rectify it, because not to rectify, give it more details. Because people think when I say a man must, I mean a Proverbs 31 woman,
yes.
I mean men must stay home and be lazy. No, that's
Okay.
not what I mean. I mean, in marriage, it must be a partnership of two people who are fully equipped.
Okay.
You become a woman and it becomes a man.
yes.
You meet and then you build a family together, partnership, collaborating together, working together as a team, not one. And when the Bible speaks about headship and submission, it speaks in terms of the role in the order of the house, not
Yes.
ukuthi laying upon in a CEO.
Oh, yeah.
You can't be a CEO
Yes.
because you're a woman. No,
Okay.
that's not what the Bible is talking about. The domestic order and the corporate order are two different things.
yes.
So you can be a CEO yendoda yakho, right? Emsebenzini.
Yes.
Nanifike ekhaya abe inhloko yakho.
Is
Two
it
di-
possible though?
Yeah, it's possible. It's two different roles. But if sithatha lento ye financial strength siyenza yaba the main thing, that is why men will struggle when the woman
Oh,
makes more
yeah.
money, because if you have nothing else to offer in leadership except for ching
Man.
ching, then you get
Sekuphelile.
yeah.
I get.
So I wanted to make sure that I answer that one. Guti. When we are fighting against the indoda must thing, we are fighting against demeaning women and undermining women. We are saying
Alright.
women can too, and women must believe in themselves that as much as a man can, a
Yes,
woman can also.
Yes.
Number 3, why are men angry, and why are men so private? Why are men not
Really, why?
venting? Why are they not transparent?
Yes.
So that's the other one we're going to take.
The indoda ikali thing.
Yeah, this is where it started. It started with Indoda Aikali. So how you are as a boy is how you will be as a man
That's
if
a bar.
you are not well prepared. For example, what you just said now, Indoda Aikali, it's how we grew up. Ne? So uyaphuma uyalanga phandle uyalimala.
Yes.
Ubuya khala batsho ukuthi ayiwena indoda ayikhala. But intombazane same age as you,
Yes.
iyalimala la ngaphandle, babuya bayayitutuza, bayayicomforta, bayayi-reassura, ifila the love and all of that.
Yes.
But indoda has always felt the rejection, has always felt
Yo.
ukuthi you are on your own. Since you are young, bayakushaya esikolweni, shaya umuntu omdala bathi buyela nawe uyomshaya. Kanjani ngoba ngiyamsaba lo muntu.
Umthayi wasekuqaleni. What do you mean?
Ngizomkhona kanjani esengibuyela kwesithuma. And they were saying they were building men in us, not knowing they were building angry people, people who are going to be dealing with traumatic things.
Yes.
And this anger, unfortunately, sikhula nayo, sikhiphe ebantwini abalong. We get married, sikhiphe emantombazaneni, sikhipha kumakhosikazi wethu, sikhiphe ebantwaneni, sikhipha in wrong spaces, ezindleleni, ama-road rage. Men are angry everywhere. But if you find out why, it is because we bottled the anger and we were taught not to speak. Don't speak out. Your feelings are not valid. Only your sister's feelings are valid.
Yo.
That's how, and we were not taught directly, but indirectly, that's what we were taught. Your sister's feelings are valid, but yours are not valid. Wena ungakhali, thula. And then usisi wakho, uhamba late, ubuya ngo-8 endlini, come back late, they say nothing because you're a boy. And then your sister, 5 o'clock, they're already calling everyone. And when you are young as a lady, ucabanga ukuthi wena bayakuzonda. In actual fact, umuntu abamlimazayo yimi.
Yes.
Because now they are not teaching me ukuthi I deserve safety too. I deserve to be protected too. I deserve to be cared for too. I deserve to be corrected and rebuked.
Yes.
Ngifakwe endleleni. Because umuntu nawuthi amkhuza manje amdala. Uyamangala ukuthi ayibonanga umuntu ozomkhuza
Azomsukela.
because mina ekhaya vele bengingakhuzwa.
Yes.
So it becomes a challenge now to take rebuke. So that is why we are an angry generation. So what are the solutions again that I can provide? Last point and then we close. Men must be found in places of development,
Yes.
right? Amadoda awayithanda indawo ene-development.
Yeah.
Amadoda awayi esontweni. Amadoda awayi kumasemina. Amadoda awayi kuma-counseling. Abone njengoba mina ngiyakhansela. Kuma-counseling hlezi kuza umuntu oshadile mara uza umama yi-1 baba kakhe akesi.
How kanti?
Angimcelile ubaba uthengeka aphumelele or mhlawumbe ubhizi. The same man nangathi udlala iChiefs nePirates Saturday. Angamisa yonke into.
Obukele khona iChiefs nePirates.
So what's my point? My point is that not that men don't have time. Men don't like development. And maybe part of the reason is what we talked about earlier, ukuthi we were not taught ukuthi sivente. We take ukuventa as weakness. If I speak out, it's as if I'm expressing my weakness, not knowing that when I speak out, I'm actually showing that I'm also human.
Yes.
I can also break. I also have a breaking point, right? So we say men must be found in what? In places of development.
Yes.
Let men go to seminars. Let men read books.
Yes.
Let men go to counseling. Let men go to pre-marital counseling, which is another one.
Yes.
Because abantu bathanda ukushivele bashade bangayanga pre-marital counseling. I'll give you a free advice. Mahala nje. If kunomuntu ofuna ukushada and uyamtshela let's go to pre-marital counseling
Yes.
and angafuni, free advice njengo Josepha baleka ngenyawo zombili. Men must go to therapy.
Yes.
Men must go to places that will develop their mental strength.
Yes.
Because 1 Timothy 4:8 says physical training is of great value.
Yes.
Ne? It's of a value to a certain point. But godliness now helps you now. So, meaning, if you train yourself only in the physical things, the gym, madoda khona ke gym.
Ajima vele.
Yeah, physical, which is good, not bad. But they must also train in the same proportion they're training their physical. They must also train their mental. Because I
yes.
said a man is strong in his speech, a man is strong in his understanding and how he thinks. If we can have men attending seminars, if we can
Yes.
have men, by the way, let me advertise. We have a seminar on the 28th of February in Jimistin Definitive Conferencing. Make sure that you check on my website, check on my TikTok page. The ticket is only 500 rands. 50% deposit will get you the space secured for you. This is what we are going to be doing. This is what we are going to be talking about.
Yes.
It's a relationship masterclass. It's for both singles and married couples.
Come on.
Do we have one question?
I do have.
The basic can go
Uh,
first.
What could you advise abantu abasakhulisa abantwana, ne? Abantwana the males,
Yeah.
njengomama or single parent. Yes, then ukhulisa umntwana omfana.
Yeah.
Ungaba advise uthini?
I think, number one, I would say, never say umama ubaba umntanakho.
Yo, okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's a free advice that I would give to single mothers.
Yes.
Never saying ubaba ngomama. There is a main role that you cannot play. If ubaba can choose not to be available in empilweni yakho, mhlambe washona of,
Yes.
yabo, find someone, a man figure that is going to play the modeling of a man.
Okay.
Yabona njengathi, I'll tell you the truth. Thina sasibafana siphila sibhekele sasizwa isonto. When we go to
Yes.
church, we found abefundisi who became a model. Basirebuke abasikhuza. So if a single mother says ngumama ngubaba, uzo angayenza damage emfaneni wakhe. Anga understand ukuthi wenza damage. Lo umntana umfana azabe attached kuma wakhe, umangale ushada nomfana.
Kodwa mama.
Mara umama's boy.
Yes.
Yonke into before niyenza, true story. Izinto engihlale sihlangana nazo. Yonke into before yenza, thingibuza umama aqala ukuthi mama uyavuma ukuthi ithengele moto. Nanifuna ukuya ku holiday, athi ngibuza umama ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi siye ku
Uyavuma.
holiday. And the Bible says a man
Yes.
shall leave his mother and father and cleave to his
Hey.
wife. Not a boy, a man.
Yes.
Your question.
Based on what the episode was based on, can you, according to you, do you think there's still hope with this generation? Ukuthi nabo bazolungisa amaphutha wabo baba bethu?
Wow, yeah.
Because nabo they are continuing the same cycle. Ngathi
same
akuna
pattern.
mehluko.
I think this is what we are trying. The reason we have this conversation, this is the main reason. We are trying to address those issues. We are trying to appeal to young men to say, let's break the cycle, boys.
Yes.
Let's not go to the same route because it doesn't only affect us, it affects the women, it affects our children, it affects the community. That's why it's not only a topic to men, it's a topic to the entire nation. So
Yes.
I think there is hope if ngaba khona abantu who are willing to say, akesizwe when we are being advised.
Yes.
Let's not allow social media to determine what we say or society or trendy things, but let's check things according to God's order and pattern. Remember, you start as a boy, you become a man first,
Yes.
then you become somebody's husband before then you become a father. If you can follow that order, I believe you can fix a lot of our previous generation's mistake. That will be the end of our episode.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Make sure you leave your comments, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share as much as you can. Thank you so much. See you on the next episode. Danko.
Means thank you.